So, we were at my house, and we were just in the basement because we were playing video games in the basement, and we heard a loud bang, like an explosion. We came out here, and there was, on the news, it was a small nuclear explosion at this power plant right here, and so, well, it was so small, it only had a blast of 100 miles, like it only went...
We're pretty sure. We can't see any moving cars if we ever flipped over on the street.
Yeah, and our parents and our sisters are gone. We don't know where they are, if they're dead or what.
We were building this little fort here. You can see what happened after the explosion. It completely got destroyed. So then we were just checking out and stuff, and we realized that we couldn't see anybody. So
Explore.
I guess come over here.
So this place is a mess. All the streets, this little area here is messed up. Somehow the cars aren't that bad.
Weird. It was probably the aftershock that flipped over the other ones. So,
what was that?
Okay. Doesn't look like there's anybody around here.
I don't think there is.
What's that? Or something.
Is there like a... See if is there like a... Is it like that one game, Fallout 4? I don't know why I'm comparing what just happened to a video game, but like where there's those creepy creatures that are around.
Who knows? We don't even know if anyone's gonna see this, but please, can someone try to come? Let's head over here, John.
Here, wait, let's see if this thing is open. Dang
No,
it, it's not open.
Let's go. We don't know where... God, I wish we knew where our parents or sister was. Or sisters. Shattered.
Yeah, and we even had a little kid, or a little baby named Jude.
Yeah.
Here. Can you hold this way? I'll tie my shoe.
Yep. Looks like up there shattered one of the windows. Let's see. Surprisingly, a lot of things look fine. Okay. But it seems to...
We're going to end this video here. We'll make a part 2 of what happened.
Yeah, so...
For some reason my phone is kind of goofy and only records for a certain amount of time. So we're just going to make part 1 and part 2 and some more. Okay, so we'll do some more as usual. Bye.